Okay, this is an FDF Universal Driveshaft Hoop. This is made out of 7/8 steel tubing and it is FD legal. So what's included in the kit is the hoop itself, 2 M12 bolts and nuts, tabs, and the backing plates for your chassis. How you're gonna install this driveshaft hoop in your car is very simple. So they give you the hoop, it's already fabricated, you don't need to do anything there. This is a reinforcement plate for your chassis. Imagine your tunnel looks like that. You're gonna weld these to the tunnel like so. That'll reinforce the sheet metal, and then you're gonna weld these to the plate itself. Depending on what car you have, this will fit Corvette, BMW, Nissan, whatever drift car you have. That's the point of these little notches here. So depending on how wide your tunnel is, you can shorten or lengthen these tabs to fit this driveshaft hoop. So once you have your width established and you have these plates tacked in, you can bolt this hoop up and then weld these plates in. And simple as that. There's your driveshaft hoop done. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look in the car. Your tabs are gonna be coming off your transmission tunnel, and it's gonna meet up with these holes on the driveshaft hoop. This M12 bolt and nut will go right through those holes and bolt up your driveshaft hoop. This will allow for, easy removal and install of your driveshaft. If you have any questions about this product, email us at support@fdfraceshop.com.